Hello, here's the problem that we're going to solve now. Solve the equation sine theta equal to 0.6 in the interval minus 360 degrees to 360 degrees. Well, if we find the sine inverse of 0.6, so sine inverse 0.6, we'll get the angle which we get as theta, which is 36.87 degrees. So this is theta. And this is our principal solution or principal value. The secondary value or solution is 143.13 degrees. I'll show you on a little sketch here. We have, say that's about 36.87. So we have sine is positive in the first and also the second quadrant. Because sine is positive in the second, tan is only positive here, and cosine only in the fourth. So we'll have that there. And this angle is equal to 36. So in order for us to find the other angle, the secondary, we have that, and this is 143.13 degrees. Now we could go ahead and find the other angles in the range, minus 360 to 360. So first we have our, so this is our principal value, and this is secondary value or secondary solution. So here we have our principal solution or angle. I just leave it like that. And remember in the steps, first we find the principal and secondary angles. And next we need to show in a quadrant diagram. So here we're showing the principal value here. And now we're going to also show a corresponding value that fits within this interval. And so we also need to measure angles from the positive x-axis to either of the two solutions. So that's what we're going to do. So we have here, we're going to measure from the positive axis all the way around here. That's one of our solutions. And let's make a little space here. And for the one in the secondary value in the second quadrant, which is that value, and a corresponding angle measured from the positive x-axis. I'll just put that over here. Being measured from the positive x-axis in this direction. So here, this gives us, and we'll list the values of theta, which is equal to 36.87. That's the principal value or principal solution. We have 323.13 degrees. That's this diagram here. We have 143.13. This is the secondary value or secondary solution. That's this diagram. And then lastly, we have 216.87 degrees. And that's this angle here, or this diagram, showing the angle measured from the positive x-axis. And that's it. So we've gone through the steps, find the principal and secondary angles, which we've done here, and the secondary here, 143. Then we've shown that on a quadrant diagram, which we've shown here. So we have one of the solutions, the secondary value in the second quadrant, the principal value in the first quadrant, where sign is both positive. And so here is the principal value along with the angle measured from the x-axis, the positive x-axis, and that's 323.13 degrees. And then we have the secondary solution, which is 143.13 degrees, and an angle measured from the positive x-axis to that solution gives us 216.87 degrees. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.